that man, and he's still awake out there. The lights are switched off, completely law-abiding, completely peaceful. Anna Hazare, what an incredible man, has been fasting for more than 3 days. In fact, it would become 4 days almost, more than 60 hours of fasting. But if you were at Rajghat today, you would have seen a 74-year young man taking on all his detractors. You would understand why he's a youth icon, because suddenly as it began to rain and the police was escorting Anna Hazare, he broke into a 100-meter sprint, and honestly, men and women half his age found it difficult to keep pace with him. Take a look.
He's been fasting for 3 days now. He's also dropped 3 kilos in those 3 days. But again, this is no ordinary 74-year-old. Anna breaking into a little sprint across the grounds of Rajghat, surrounded by security, escorting him to a safe distance from the massive crowds. But this is one leader who walks among his people.
वो आपके सब ऊर्जा मुझे मिल रही है, और सब ऊर्जा मुझे मिल रही है। आज 3 किलो क्या, चाहे 10 किलो कम होने दो, लेकिन जोश कम नहीं होगा।
But this image, mocking those who tried so hard to insinuate Anna's health, was failing him. Bureau Report, Times Now. On the news hour tonight. Should all political parties declare their stand on the Jan Lokpal bill?
He is the country's biggest celebrity, the biggest youth icon. As part of our continuous coverage, we are also breaking away with a number of stories. I Am Anna. The anti-corruption crusade spearheaded by Anna Hazare has also reached the doorstep of a war veteran of 2 significant wars in Chandigarh. Retired Brigadier Harwansh Singh says Anna Hazare has managed to unite the country like very few before him have.
Unless this cancer of corruption is rooted out, India cannot progress. Our next generation will not progress. We will remain as we are, and we will remain weak. And anybody will come and make us slave like they did in the past.
68-year-old retired army man, Brigadier Harwansh Singh. A man who fought the 1965 and 71 wars for his nation. 15 years after he retired from the armed forces, Harwansh Singh is back in the war zone. Only this time, he intends to fight the war against corruption.
Anna Hazare has taken a great cause of fighting corruption in India and ridding this country from corruption, to make this country corruption free. And it's a great cause. We in the defense forces, retired veterans, we fully support that cause. It is because of corruption that we are so backward today, despite 64 years of our independence.
The retired brigadier is angry with those criticizing Anna, those who accused him of arm twisting the government.
All those asking questions to Anna Hazare and giving duhai of the constitution and parliament, search their hearts. Have they followed this principle of fair play? So they are just finding faults to save their own skin. If they have an iota of honesty, they should in fact cooperate with them.
With Anna's crusade against corruption evoking a nationwide response, former army brigadier believes victory is just around the corner.
I'm sure he will succeed in the mission, because the whole country is with him, right from chota bacha to the elderly people are with him, and they understand corruption must be finished.
The report, Times Now.
Responses to the Samsonite